Then we start with the two position circles without current and wind, and from the same lighthouse. So we have a lighthouse, which is this, and we have given the first position circle or range at 0800. The range is 3 nautical miles. At 0900, the range is 6 nautical miles. Course to steer is 045 degrees true. Engine speed is 12 knots, and we have to find 0800 and 0900 position. Very simple. So 0800 position circle is this one. We draw the first position circle 3 miles 0800. Then second position circle 0900 is 6 miles. So we draw the second position circle 0900 position circle. Now, as you remember that when we are given position circle for the first the initial, if we are given position circle, we always draw the course to steer from the lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse. We draw course to steer 045 into 12 knots, that is the wind speed, and wherever it cuts, we get this point B. Now what will we do at point B? Always we have to transfer the initial position line or position circle. Now here we have initially position circle, so we will transfer this position circle from this point. So we take an arc of 3 miles and we transfer on this position circle, and wherever it cuts the 0900 position circle, that is our 0900 fix, and from this fix we will transfer this course to steer back, and wherever it cuts the initial 0800 position circle, that is our 0800 fix. So now there can be an ambiguity that if this line is cutting at 2 points here and here, if you extend, so what we will do? So then you have to measure this A to B distance. Wherever this line is equals to that A to B distance, that will be the actual point, because A to B has to be fully transferred, including the distance also, not only the direction. So the point, if it is cutting at 2 points, the point where the distance is equals to A to B, that point will be our actual position.